Okay, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use this hydraulic floor jack safely. This jack, if you guys use this jack, I suggest that you guys put jack stands underneath the lawnmower in case the jack fails. And I will show you guys in another video on how to use this jack safely. Now I'm going to tell you guys how I got this jack. A guy had gone to Iowa, and he picked this up for me, telling me that my life would be a lot easier than using a regular floor jack, because this one goes up 22 inches high, and that is how high it goes. So here's another tip. The safety bars, there's safety bars on it, but I don't really trust those. That's why I suggested the jack stands. And there's my dessert.